Hey there, welcome to another Heavy Metal Diecast video, Garage Edition. And what we have here is this beautiful looking car. It is by Maisto in 1/18th scale. It is the Muscle Machine Editions. So this is a 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. And I reckon it's a pretty tough looking unit. It's a comical stylisation. So as you can see with the big ass back wheels and the massive sort of funny motor sticking out, all the superchargers sticking out like a comical stylisation. So what we'll do is we'll get this bad boy out of the box and have a real good look. So as you can see, out of the box, it's on a nice little base plate, has a nice little backing. It does have some details. You can display it just on this base if you want to as well. And it's got quite a lot of heft to it, and it is held on to this base by those 4 screws. So what we'll do is we'll quickly undo those screws for you. So with a quick zip of the magic drill, we got those 4 screws off, and we can have a look at this beast in all its glory. Pardon that noise. And gee, it is very heavy, but it is a tough looking car. This is a nice looking unit, and it look, if you like your little, I've got some of these in 1/64 scale, sort of the little Hot Wheels size cars, and they look pretty cool too. But like having one in 1/18 scale is comical but cool. I think it is got some shelf presence, that's for sure. It's beautiful candy red with a nice gold roof. And this supercharger, the chrome on it is beautiful. It is nice. I like it. I reckon it's pretty cool. It's got what looks like a decent set of Kragers on there. The wheels, the car does roll very easily. We'll have a look underneath. There's not a great deal of detail underneath the vehicle. It's just sort of a moulded base, plasticky. The rubbers, the wheels, rubber-wise, it's not hugely soft, but it's not hard like the plastic there. But the rear slicks definitely feel a bit softer, and as you see, the front ones do have some tread. It's got a little bit of exhaust detail, a little bit of moulded tail shaft and everything like that. It's not completely round; it's just moulded into the base. But overall, I still think this is a pretty tough-looking thing, you know. Look at the arse end of this. This is this is awesome. I think it's great. But the overall build of the car, it's quite basic. Nothing really opens. There's no opening doors or opening bonnet. No, nothing opens at all. It's a sealed body, complete sealed body, but it's definitely got some shelf presence for sure. I reckon it's a pretty cool looking unit. I've had these. I've got a couple of different variations of not just a Chevelle, but a few different muscle machine cars like Dodgers and stuff like that as well, which I will do some reviews of as well. But I think they're, for what they are, I think they're pretty cool. I can't remember the exact prices. I bought these a while ago, so I am unsure of the availability of these today. But I just thought I'd do some videos of these because I think they're pretty cool. So yeah, what I'll do is you know the deal. I will post some pictures of this bad boy up without the sausage fingers in the way, and you can check this metal monster for all its glory. So yeah. So once again, this is by Maisto. It's 1/18th scale. It is the Muscle Machines Editions, and full die cast, but no opening. It's a sealed body, so no opening parts or anything like that. And yeah, I think it's definitely pretty cool. So yeah, if you can give us a little bit of a like, that'd be awesome, and even subscribe to the channel, that'll be even more awesomer. So, all right, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great rest of your day. Cheers, guys.